So we are here at Zampa. I'm gonna fly my drone because it's a little bit early. So a while ago, while I am driving, I saw the gray-faced buzzard. So they're here. Awesome. So I'm gonna fly my drone, and after this, let's find some gray-face. Let's find some birds. Beautiful day today. No wind, it's good for paddle boarding. So I'm just going to walk in this area. I saw some gray face here. Take a photo, but it's a little bit far. But yeah, let's see if we can get some nice photo here. Good exercise. There's a cat. Let's take some photo. Perfect. Meow. Meow. Okay. Look at this. The grass. What's that? Oh, it's a Japanese teeth. Let me take some photo. See this? It's just delicious. When I was young, my grandma used to feed me this every day. I'm sick of it. I almost, throw up. So there is a gray-faced buzzard on top of the pole in the middle of the ocean. So I don't know. That's my first time seeing it. Hunting some fish? No idea. There's a reef egret right over there. Let's take some photo. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I forgot to bring my ND filter for my 200-800. When you take a video, it's so blown out. Even if this one is f9. Yeah, it's too bright. So if I go to the water, do you think the birds will fly away? Let's find out. Is it Japanese holiday today? Because the gate going to the dam is closed. There's two egret over there. Let me take some photo. Meh! Meh! A lot of goats. Okay. It's still dark in here. It's so quiet in here. There's no sign of the common kingfisher. It's unbelievable. I saw like, I don't know, maybe 30, 40 gray-faced buzzard. It's insane. It's amazing. that's, that's ridiculous. So I think we're done here, guys. This is Brian from OK Pixel Finders. Catch you guys later. See ya.